Hey folks, it's Chet from Tag Along with Chet. Well, it's getting near the end of August and my annual's due, so I'm heading my way down to the maintenance base in Claresholm, which is, as you probably saw in last week's video, but a, I don't know, 20 minute flight from here. So that's where it's going. I just phoned up maintenance people and they advised that it's ready for well, they'll probably get at it maybe on Wednesday or something like that, but at least it'll be down there. And the weather looks reasonably good today. Sun's just starting to break out of here. It's still about 9:30 in the morning. Wind hasn't picked up yet, so hopefully it'll be a nice, comfortable little trip down there. So we'll take a few shots going down, and hopefully we can make a bit of a vlog out of it. So we'll see you on the airplane.
Okay, folks, well, she started it up. I just got to take her over to the pumps and get some gas. So I'm just in front of my hangar now, and just letting her warm up a little bit. Boys just dropped by here to pick up the maintenance logbook so she could drive them over, and I'll be flying. She'll pick me up out there in Claresholm. Okay, might as well get her going here now. There we go. Yeah, I got a few things that I have to get done here. I got a few snags. The defrost air is pretty stiff, so I think that has to be lubricated. And I think I got a little bit of rust starting to show up on one of the hinges that might have to be looked at. And of course the major item is the fuel flow. And there's probably a few little other things with the engine that have to be looked at. The normal yearly annual, which, yeah, it's, you gotta do it. So I'll just taxi her to the fuel pumps here. Looks like wind's from the west-northwest anyway, so I'll take off on runway 34, which is good because it's the closest one. So no spray planes today. Normally we got spray planes out here, but not today. I think they were a couple of days ago they were out here, so. Okay, looks like we're ready to rumble here. Oh yeah, already got targets on here. Good. Welcome traffic, it's Cherokee Charlie, November. We're taxiing from the ramp and we'll be using runway 34. We'll advise taxiing to position. Welcome traffic, Charlie, November, taxiing to position, runway 34. Welcome. Okay, well, we're ready to go here, I think. Alt, fuel pumps on, navigation lights, that's all on. Trim set, okay. Welcome traffic, Charlie, November, departing runway 34. We'll left turn out, climb to 4.5 initially. Welcome traffic, Charlie, November. Charlie, November, airborne on 34, we're on the left turn, and we'll be climbing to 6,500, and we're departing direct to Claresholm. Welcome traffic, Charlie, November. it's Cherokee, Charlie, November 8 to the north at 6,500. We're on a gradual descent, and we're joining the circuit from overhead the field. Clear zone traffic, Charlie, November.
And clear zone traffic, Golf Victor Alpha Charlie, turning downwind left 03.
Roger, we check that using runway 03. Okay, thanks a lot. And clear zone traffic, Charlie, November. We'll be joining for a left downwind runway 03. We're about 5 to the north of the airport this time. Clear zone traffic, Charlie, November is on a left downwind runway 03. We have the traffic in sight.
Victor Alpha Charlie down and clear.
Traffic, Charlie, November, turning final, runway 03, full stop, clear zone. Charlie, Charlie, November, north tracking, 03 for the ramp. As a hawk just sitting on the side of the runway there. I don't know if you saw him. You may not have seen him off this camera. It's quite interesting. And clears home traffic, Charlie, Charlie, November, clear runway 03, and taxiing to the ramp. Clears home traffic, Charlie, Charlie, November. Okay, well, let's see what we can turn off. You can turn that off. I can turn that off. Now we can turn that off. Okay, folks, we're coming along. We're just, you can see, taxiing to the maintenance facility, and we'll just park her out there, and they'll probably get to it in a day or so. So thanks again for coming along, and if you haven't subscribed yet, just hit that subscribe button. It's down the bottom right, and also hit that little bell, and it'll let you know when I post another vlog. So, like I said, thanks for coming along, and we'll talk to you later.